Hi, I'm Vijayata, co-founder and CEO of Sciativ. I take care of business, people, investor relations, and marketing.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anshu Jalora, founder and CTO of Sciativ Solutions. I take care of pricing algorithms, tech, product, and growth.
I'm an alum from IIM Bangalore and have done second masters from University of Houston, Texas. In my 12 plus years of experience at various corporates in India and in the United States, I have led business transformation projects across multiple departments. In my last corporate role, I was in the chairman's office as a vice president of technology and innovations at India's largest private sector conglomerate.
I graduated from IIT Delhi and got my doctorate degree from Texas A&M University at College Station in Texas, specializing in dynamic pricing and revenue management. I have been an avid researcher in the area of pricing sciences and have authored 17 international publications and one US patent in this area. Prior to founding Sciativ, I have been fortunate to have helped 15 Fortune 500 companies in transforming their pricing decision processes with technology and data insights. Pricing continues to be one of the most significant as well as the most difficult decisions taken by companies. When pricing is done right, companies earn more, grow faster, and build customer loyalty. And quite the opposite happens when pricing is not done right.
Especially in today's world where customers are spoiled for choices and the competitors' volatility is at its peak. Speed and accuracy of pricing decision is more important than ever. We have often seen that pricing decisions are delayed, they lack scientific rigor, they are reactive rather than being proactive, and often they are full of human biases. This results in 10 to 20% loss in customer value capture.
At Sciativ, we have built technology products to help organizations apply AI insights to price right. We are democratizing the pricing decisions by empowering teams to monitor and modify prices with utmost precision with the help of our software products powered by sophisticated and proven scientific algorithms.
And if you want to really check out our latest case studies, please visit our website where our clients are talking about how we have delivered more than 15 to 40% growth through our AI powered software pricing products. Visit us at www.sciativ.com.